The sustainability issue I chose is air pollution, and it is a major epidemic we are facing today. Air pollution has skyrocketed in the past few decades to such excessive quantities that can be hazardous to our health. Air pollution tends to occur when there is a mixture of man-made substances/chemicals and natural substances brought to the atmosphere. According to Arden Pope, health effects have been observed commonly in the U.S. cities. The U.S. is a firm believer in fast fashion, pre-packaged foods, and basically abusing the use of these chemical industries that is releasing these gases into the air. This is something that requires much more than just attempting to stop. Many people do not seem to understand the severity of this issue due to high-paced lifestyles that majority of us live today. A joint study done between the World Health Organization, the World Resources Institute, and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency estimated that 700,000 deaths worldwide are related to air pollution, and this number will escalate to 8 million by 2020. The group of people affected by this issue is ultimately everyone. However, the people mainly at risk for air pollution is infants and elderly people. Pollutant can affect airways, birth defects, developmental problems in children, diseases, and low immune systems. It affects your respiratory system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, and digestive system. Air pollution is affecting us globally. Pollution from traffic is mostly generated in urban areas, but it can affect people in other areas. A great example of this is coal. It is responsible for acid rain, greenhouse emissions, and the coking industry. Coking is a process which heats coal to above 1,000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. The waste that comes from coal ash is more radioactive than nuclear waste. Air pollution does contribute to contaminating food and water, which is why we ingest and inhale pollution, and many people fail to realize this. From this, our health can be affected severely, leading to mortality increase. The U.S. have proposed numerous solutions to this issue, such as regulatory mechanisms to control emissions, tax increases that would favor energy-efficient transport modes, support for new technologies and alternative fuels, and more. There are many ways and solutions to help with air pollutions. A new information technology can potentially help address this issue. David Broday explains how there are new environmental sensors that are small, portable, and relatively low cost that can help gather air pollutant data. The City Sense Project collaborators feel this is a start to spreading awareness and providing information to citizens about pollutant levels in their vicinity. This can be placed in-home or even in public spaces. Implementing sensor networks around cities throughout the United States can help monitor the air control. If this is implemented in major crowded cities, this can be a great start to a promising future.